Please mind the mess, this is literally just arrived. This is the Silver Deluxe room at the Hard Rock Hotel here in Tenerife. Not as swish as the one we had last time, but it's actually quite decent. So over here we've got a nice mirror. You've got slippers, a shoehorn, and what else? What's this down here? I've never seen this before. Polishing shoe mint. Interesting. Hair dry, ironing, wine cooler, bag for your dirty deeds. And obviously we have time for a wardrobe change. We got a safe and some storage spaces up here. And we got a mini fridge which is filled with water for us. If you want to do some shower suits music, there is a shower soundtrack in this amazing rainfall shower with the Hard Rock Hotel products. And this is the bog. Let's get a couple of photos for the gram. And this is our little sink area. With our towels. Beds for the night. Got the TV with some music on, I just had to mute it. Don't want to get copyrighted. Got chocolates and our own speaker as well. And this is our view this year. See the lifts going up and down for the walk bar. And you can also see one of the statues down there too. So, that is the room at the Hard Rock Hotel, Tenerife Silver Deluxe.